Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable S panel in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to display. After that scroll down again, then go to S panel. Now just tap here to enable S panel. And here you can see in my phone S panel is enabled. Now if you tap on panels, now here you can see so many tasks and you can add any task to your S panel as you like. If I select clipboard, weather and tools, apps, and it's done. Now if you go back, now if I open S panel, now here you can see the tasks has been added successfully in my S panel. Now if you go to handle, now from here you can customize your S panel. From here you can change your S panel position. You can choose right or left. Also you can lock your handle position. Also from here you can change your S panel color, transparency, size and width. You can choose any color as you like. And that is how you can enable or disable S panel in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.